Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the NFC reader tag not working on iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure that your iPhone actually supports NFC. Most newer iPhones do, but older models may have limited features. Check your NFC positioning. The NFC reader is located at the top back on your iPhone, so make sure that you're tapping that area directly on the tag. Then remove any thick phone case or metal accessories. This can block the NFC signal. Another fix is to restart your iPhone. This refreshes the system and can start fix temporary glitches. Also, make sure that NFC is enabled because some features like Apple Pay or shortcuts may require proper setup to use the NFC. Use also a specific app. Ensure that it has permission to access the NFC in settings. And also update the latest version of iOS since bugs can sometimes affect the NFC performance. If the issue continues, try scanning different NFC tag and the problem might be with the tag itself. If nothing works, it could be a hardware issue. You may need to visit an authorized service center. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.